Hey folks, it's William with All Solar Texas. I'm coming to you today with a scam alert. Make sure you watch this video. You don't want to get scammed. Stay tuned. Okay, so I've been getting a lot of calls from customers. They have follow-up questions. Once their solar loan's been approved and their system has been installed, they're calling me because they received this letter that says the Texas UCC statement request form charging them $90. And they asked me, hey, I thought you guys were supposed to take care of all this and pay this. Is this something that I pay? Do I send in a check? What is the deal here and what's required from me? Unfortunately, all of this is a scam. The UCC is the Uniform Commercial Code here in Texas, and what happens is if you take out a solar loan, then the solar company places a lien on the equipment. Again, it's not a lien on your home or on your property, but if you take out a solar loan, they're going to put a lien on the equipment, and then they want to make sure that that gets published so that if you default on your loan, then they can come in, even if they need the government's help, if you're non-compliant, to remove that equipment because of your failure to pay. Now, it's very, very easy to go and to request this form yourself. If you really do want to see what that document entails and all of the debtors that are named in that, you just go on to the publicly available website. It's a $15 filing fee, and then you get a copy of it in the mail. What this is doing is this is requiring you, and it looks very official. You can even see that they took the liberty of trying to mirror and match one of the form templates that's available on the Texas SOS for the UCC filing forms, and they duplicate it. They want it to look as legitimate as possible so that you end up writing them a $90 check and sending it to them. Well, how do we know that this is all a scam? First off, you could take a look at the website, the public website, which says very clearly where you can download the form and how you can go about requesting that document, and that it's only going to cost you $15. Well, how do we know that this is actually a scam? Well, just take a look at the pre-populated envelope that it comes in. If you take a look right there at the address, it routes you to, guess what? A mailbox. It is one of those public available mailboxes, those paid post mailboxes. It's not official. It doesn't go to Austin, which is actually where a lot of our documents go because it is the capital of Texas, and so a lot of our processes and our legal documents actually route through Austin. So it's very clever. They pick a place in Austin that they can go and set up a post mailbox. They will go on to the site itself and download the form and populate it with your information. They could figure out who recently decided to go solar or get a solar loan because they publish that information, or they'll buy that information from certain agencies or companies that traffic in people's private information. And so it leaves you in a position where you get this very formal looking document that is supposed to be sent to Austin, which we all know a lot of the stuff goes through there because that's where the Secretary of State processes all of our information. And you end up writing a $90 check for which they keep the remainder, and maybe they do actually file that request for you and get it to you for the $15 filing fee that you could do yourself, or maybe they just keep it. I don't know. But all I can say is watch out for it. It is a total scam. Make sure that you are not filling that out. You're not sending it back. You are trashing it. And I hope these people get caught. I hope they get arrested. I hope they get persecuted and prosecuted and everything else, because it's a shame. Thank you so much. Reach out if you do have any questions solar related, or if you're an existing solar customer and you just have some questions about some of these documents and whether or not they're legitimate that you may be getting. Reach out to us. Give us a call. Check out our website, shoot us an email, and we'll get back to you quickly. Thank you, and God bless.